Hi, grade 5. We're going to continue now solar system. First we took the inner planets and the outer planets and how they are revolving around the sun. And we said that the solar system is formed of the sun, planets, stars. Okay, here we're going to talk about the moon. A moon is a natural object that orbits around a planet. Take care in the exam. Moon is a natural object that orbits a planet. It's not orbiting the sun. It's orbiting the planet. We have the inner planets and the outer planets. Inner planets have few moons. Mercury and Venus has no moons. Mars has 2 moons, and of course Earth has 1 moon. What about the outer planets? They have a lot of moons. Imagine that Jupiter has 63 moons, Saturn has 47 moons, Uranus has 27, and Neptune has 13 moons. Can you imagine it? 63, it's too much, okay? What is meant by moon? Moons are satellites. What does a satellite mean? It's an object in space that circle around other objects, something which revolve around another. That's what's called satellite. We have artificial satellite and we have natural satellites. Moons are natural satellites. What's meant by satellite? قمر الصناعي, okay? People put objects into space that orbit Earth or other planets. These objects are called artificial planets. So, what is artificial satellites means? We said that the satellite is an object in space that circles around another object. We have 2 kinds of satellites, natural satellites and artificial satellites. The artificial, we said that people put objects into the space that orbit the Earth or other planets. It revolve around the Earth or other planets. And these objects are called artificial satellites. What is the use of the satellites? What its importance for? It includes weather and communication satellites and space probes that orbit planets to observe their surface. We can know from these satellites the weather in another planet, the surface in another planet, if there is water, if there is air. We can know everything on the other planets by these satellites, okay? So they include weather and communication satellite and space probes that orbit planets to observe their surface. So it's important here to know that the moon is a natural satellite, okay? And to know that it's a natural object that orbit a planet. It's not orbiting the sun. And we have inner planets and outer planets. We have to know that Earth has 1 moon, Mars has 2 moons, Mercury and Venus have no moons. Of course here Jupiter 63, Saturn 47, Uranus 27, and Neptune has 13 moons. Here we're going to talk about what are comets, asteroids and meteors. What meant by comets, asteroids and meteors? All of these are objects. All of these are, just wait, all of these are objects that are found in space. They are found in space. Okay. What's a comet? Look here, that's the comet. It's a mixture of frozen gases, ice, dust and rocks that move in an elliptical orbit, which means oval orbit around the sun. So it's formed of frozen gas, ice, dust and rocks. When comets are away from the sun, the gases of course are frozen. What about if it comes towards the sun? The core of the comet warms up. Okay, so when the comets are away from the sun, the gases and ice in the comet are frozen. And when the comet moves toward the sun, the core of the comet warms up. Okay, we're not going to take the asteroids and the meteors. Okay, we're just taking the comets. But we have to know that the comets, asteroids and meteors, all of them are different types of objects that are found in space. Okay, thank you.